is Sayantan. I have done my BTech in Civil Engineering from an Institute of Technology from Kolkata, and I have been passed out in 2017. And currently, I was pursuing my testing profile from Pyspiders Basavanagudi, and my subject combinations were Python, SQL, manual testing, and automation testing in Selenium. And I have been trained under Chivita ma'am, followed by Harshan sir, and now under Suhas sir. And currently my classes are ongoing, but I am placed in testing and software solutions in this year, and there I have been employed as an Azure software engineer, and my profile is development with a package of 3 LPA. And regarding the trainers and the mentors and all those things who have been helping, they have been very helpful, and especially the HR team, they have been very helpful regarding any of the knowledge that I need regarding the career in IT and all those things. And when coming to the trainers, they are the best that you can have anytime in entire the industry, because they have the industry knowledge and they have in-depth knowledge about the subjects. So any doubts you can give in there, and the best part is that they have been teaching all the subjects from the very scratch. So anyone who is coming from non-IT background, they can easily understand the subjects, and they can go with ace with the subjects and going on. So I would recommend everyone to come in here, as this is the best institute to learn the IT related subjects, especially Python related subjects. Thank you.